Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain how we can model 3D model of a part in SolidWorks. In today I am actually starting this a series of video and you will get instructions or you will get inspirations to start 3D modeling in SolidWorks. I have taken for today's video. I have taken this part, and this is simple part, not so complicated. It's a simple part, and we have its top view down bottom there, top view, and this is our front view. And front view, we can see front view from the this side in third angle, right? And and this is our side view. This is our side view, front view from this direction, right? So the base is 140 mm, and this side here it is 20 mm, and this one is 80 mm, and this is 20 mm again, and this is 30 mm. This is our side, and the extrude, we will extrude it to 80 mm, so that it is 80 mm here, 40 half and 40 half, so it is 80 mm, and then it is 70 mm revolve cut here for bearings, and two holes of 9 mm radius or 18 mm dia, uh, and everything is same. So we will start from this front view. Okay, let's get started. Here I can start from here. I will use new, and then I will create a part, not assembly part, and then I will click OK and wait for a minute. So here first of all I have to change the unit from meter to mm. Our unit is mm, so I will use mm gram second, and then I can start sketch by clicking here, and I will select a line. Okay, and then I will start on front plane. Okay, and now I will start a sketch, continuous sketch like this, approx 140, and then go up a little bit, approx 20, and without stopping I will keep drawing, and then about 80, and then about 20, and then if I go forward it is a line, but if I go back to the point and hold for a moment, then it is an arc. Okay, it is an arc, and you can see the radius is about approx 31, so approx 30, and it is more than half circle, and it is semicircle when it is dashed line. I will click here, I will click approx 20, and then come down up to this dash line so that these are equal, and then this and this, close this geometry. Okay. Geometry is done. Now second thing that we do is we will make it constraints, apply some constraints, and you can see that this side must be equal to this, and this must be equal to this, and this should be equal. So I will apply constraint, but I will select one line like this is selected already, blue, light blue, and I will select another line by clicking and holding control. Okay, holding control and clicking, and then I will make them equal, these apply constant equal, and now I will select this line and this line. I will make these two equal as well. Okay, and now I will select this, and by holding control, pressing and holding control, I will select this, and I will make them equal, and this and this should be equal as well. Okay, so now I have to give the dimensions, exact dimensions. We can use smart dimension in SolidWorks. So I will give the dimension. This is 140 as our drawings, and this is 20, and this is also 20, and this is 80, 80. I can put it here. It is better to put here. And this is also 20. So every dimension is given, and this radius is automatically adjusted to 30, because this is 20, this is 20, and remaining is a constant, like 140 minus 40 plus 40, 80. 140 minus 80, that's 60. So this point will remain 60, and the radius becomes, if I want to give the dimension, it will say it is driven, and it will make dimension driven. Okay, so not driving, so I will cancel it. Actually dimension is already is there, so we have not to give it again. And now I will exit the sketch and extrude it 80 mm. To extrude, I will go to feature and I will click on extrude base, extrude boss base, and then I can make it like 80. Here I will put the number 80, so it is extruded 80 mm. You can see the model is ready. Okay, now I will have to make holes, two holes of here, one is here and another is here, holes of radius 9 or diameter 18 mm, and holes are on this edge, center is on this edge, and on the middle point, because it is 40, total is 80, so 40 is half, so it will be at the center of this edge. So I will again use the sketch command, and then I will select this plane, and then I will draw a circle at the midpoint. It gives the midpoint here, and I will keep the radius 9 mm, apply the radius 9 mm here. Okay, and another circle, is here, and this is also 9 mm, and I will exit out of a sketch, and now I have to do it, make a hole. I have to make a hole. To cut a hole, I will use the extrude cut feature, and I can use up to the surface, back surface here, or I can give the length here, like 110, a little bit more, like this, or I can take it only 100, because it is 100, so I can take it 100 as well. So it is cut, and then I will click OK. So you can see the hole is cut, right? And now I have to cut the bearing seat here, seat for the bearing. So I will cut it by using the revolve cut, or I can use the extrude cut as well. I can make a circle of 75 mm dia, 20 mm from the face, from this face, this edge 20 mm, make a circle of 70 mm dia, and then I can extrude it to 40 mm. And also it can be done by taking the this 5 mm rectangle here, and then revolving the cut about the middle axis. Okay, so I will use the second approach, and I will sketch a rectangle at this surface, and now I will create a rectangle, this edge, starting from this edge, and give the dimensions. This should be 40 mm, 40 mm, and the side must be 5 mm, because 30 mm radius is already there. 30 plus 5 5, so 35. So I will make it 5 mm, and from this edge, the distance from this edge to this edge should be 20 mm, so that centers are 40 mm away. So I will use this smart dimension again and select this and this and make it 20 mm. Okay, so our rectangle to cut is ready, and now I have to provide an axis to revolve. So axis should be at the middle center here. Axis is here, and now I can exit the sketch, and you can see I have already axis and the cut, rectangle to cut, and when this is cut it will give us the seat for the bearing. So I will go to feature and take the revolve cut, and to revolve cut I need to give the, first of all I have to give the axis of revolution. I have given the applied axis, and I have to turn off this thin feature. Okay, we don't need thin feature, and then I have to give the sketch selected contours or sketch. I will take it, and it's ask the angle to revolve. Currently you can see it is 360. I don't want 360, I want it 180. So I will apply 180 here, and you can see the direction is opposite, so I will reverse the direction. Okay, now it is perfectly okay, and I will click here, and the cut is ready. So here you can see the cut is done. Okay, and I can apply what I can apply the fillet at this corner. Actually this hole makes the part a little bit weak, so holes, this can be a little bit wide and the hole can be here and not here, right? So but we have modeled it according to the drawing is here, and according to drawing we have modeled this, and I hope you like the video and it will be helpful for you, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.